Good morning, my dear students. A warm welcome to our third environmental science class. Are you ready? Shall we start the class? Okay. Do you remember what's the name of our chapter? What's the name? Yes, my body. In this chapter, we are studying different body parts. About your body parts. Our body have different body parts. Each body part have different function or each body part help us to do different things. For example, your hands. What is the use of your hands? Just remember, what is the use of your hands? Yes, you can eat with your hands. You can pick something. You can pick something using your hand. You can hold the hands of your parents. So, hand help us to do different things. What about your legs? What's the use of your legs? Yes, legs helps you to walk, helps you to run, helps you to jump. Clear? Then what about eyes? What's the use of your eyes? Eyes helps you to see. You can see with your eyes. What's the use of nose? What's the use? Tell me, what is the use of your nose? Yes, we can smell with our nose. We can smell with our nose. What's the use of your tongue? What's the use? Tongue helps you to taste. You taste with your tongue. Do you know the meaning of taste? What do you mean by taste? Taste means ruji. So, tongue helps you to taste. To taste what? We can taste the sweet. Sweet means the chocolates. Chocolates are very sweety. Sweet means madhuram. So, tongue helps you to taste the sweet. Also, tongue helps you to taste the salt. What do you mean by salty? Salty means uppu rasam. Clear? Tongue helps you to taste salty. Tongue help you to taste bitter. What is bitter? Bitter means kaipu. So, tongue help you to taste the bitter. And also the tongue help you to taste the sour. Sour means puli. Okay. So, your tongue helps you to taste sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Clear? What about the skin? What is the use of skin? The skin helps you to feel. Skin helps you to feel the pain. Skin helps you to feel the hot. Skin helps you to feel when someone pinches in your skin. So, skin helps you to feel. Clear? What's the use of ears? We can hear with our ears. These all use that we already studied in the last class. Clear? So, each part in our body do different activities or each body part help us to do different things. Clear? Okay. Today we are going to study about fingers. What? Fingers. Just show your fingers. Where is your fingers? Just show your fingers. Okay, very good. This is your fingers. Okay, students. Just raise your left hand. Just raise your left hand. This is your left hand and there are fingers. How many fingers you have? Tell me how many fingers? Yes, 5 fingers in one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers in one hand. Each finger has a name. Each finger has a name. Shall we learn the name of fingers? Okay, first, what's the name of this finger? This is thumb. What? This is thumb. Clear? This is thumb. And which finger is this? Which finger is this? It is pointer. What? Pointer. This finger helps you to point something. I can point to this board using this finger. Clear? I can point to this board using this finger. I can point you using this finger. So, this is pointer. What about this? This is your middle finger. What is this? This is your middle finger. Which finger is this? This is your ring finger. Clear? This is your ring finger. Which is this little one? This is very little, very small one. So, this is the little finger. Clear? Once again, thumb, pointer, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Clear? Can you say once more? Thumb, pointer, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Clear? Okay students, do you like rhymes? Do you like rhymes? Yes, you all like rhymes. Are you ready to hear a rhyme? A rhyme about fingers? Okay. Okay students, now our Riya ma'am will help us to learn a rhyme about fingers. Are you ready? Okay, let's enjoy.
Okay, let's start. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Ran away, ran away. Where is Pointer? Where is Pointer? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Ran away, ran away. Where is Middleman? Where is Middleman? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Ran away, ran away. Where is Ringman? Where is Ringman? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Ran away, ran away. Where is the little one? Where is the little one? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Ran away, ran away. Did you enjoy? Hope you all enjoy this rhyme. Bye.
Students, how was the rhyme? Is it good? Did you enjoy it? Yes, okay. So, now we are learning about our fingers. Shall I give you one activity? An interesting activity? Do you like coloring? Do you like coloring? Okay, just raise your hand. We studied about these fingers and this is our palm. What? This is our palm and this is our fingers. Just take different colors and give different colors to your fingers and your palm. Take different colors and give different colors to your fingers and palm. Clear? For example, just give black color to your palm. Just give red color to your thumb. Blue color to your pointer. Green color to your middle finger. Violet color to your ring finger. Yellow color to your little finger. So, use different colors and make it colorful. And just paste your hands into a paper like this. Then you will get a beautiful picture of your hands. Clear? Students, it is very important. Don't color your right hand. Color only in your left hand. Clear? Color in your left hand and paste in a paper and send it to me. Okay. So, we studied about different body parts, its use, about fingers. Now, we are going to study about take care of our body. What? Take care of our body. We want to take care our body because our body help us to do different activities. Our body want to be healthy. So, we want to take care our body. How we can take care our body? Just think how we can take our body. To stay healthy, we want to take care of our body. First one is eat healthy meals. What? Eat healthy meals. What do you mean by healthy meals? For example, fruits, vegetables, milk, rice, egg, etc. are some of the healthy meals. So students, eat healthy meals. So your body will be healthy. One more thing, eat on time. Every day eat on time. Clear? Okay. Did you have your breakfast today? Did you have your breakfast? Okay, very good my dears. We will have our breakfast in the morning. Isn't it? We will have our breakfast in the morning. We will have our lunch in the noon and dinner in the night. Clear? So, eat your food. Eat healthy meals on time every day. Okay. And the second one is play outdoors every day. Play outdoors. Just play outside your house. Just play outside your house. Can you say some outdoor games? Can you say some outdoor games? Just think some outdoor games. Yes, football, riding bicycle, shuttle or badminton. Like that, these are some outside games. Outdoor games. These outdoor games makes you healthy. But students, now it is not good. It is not safe to play outside. So, now you can follow or you can do some indoor games to make your body healthy. So, the second point is play outdoor games. What's the third point? Sleep at least for 8 hours. Sleep for 8 hours. Clear? How many hours? 8 hours. Sleep on time every day. Sleep on time. Don't be late. Students, when you will sleep? When you will sleep? Some students may sleep at 8 o'clock. Some may be 9. Some may be at 10. Or some may be 11. But students, it's important. Sleep at time and sleep for 8 hours every day. Clear? So, we can take care of our body to make our body healthy. For that, eat healthy meals. Eat healthy meals on time every day. കൃത്യസമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കണം. Eat healthy meals on every day. Play outdoor games. Sleep for 8 hours. Sleep on time. കൃത്യസമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ കിടന്നുറങ്ങണം. Clear? By all these ways, we can take care our body. Clear? So, in this chapter, we studied about your body parts, different functions of your body part. Our body help us to do different activities. Now, we discussed or we learned about take care of our body. Clear? Now students, just open your textbook, page number 146. Just open your textbook, page number 146. Students, take page number 146. Can you read this? Taking care of our body. Taking care of our body. We must look after our body to stay healthy. How we can look after? Eat healthy meals and eat on time every day. Eat healthy meals and eat on time every day. Play outdoor every day. Play outdoors every day. Sleep for at least 8 hours a day. Sleep on time every day. Clear? In this chapter, we studied 2 new words. First one is taste, that we discussed to find out if a thing is sweet, salty, bitter or sour. Healthy, when all parts of our body work well. You will be healthy when all your body part work well. Suppose if you have a pain in your hand, or if you have stomach pain, or if you have fever, then you are not healthy because your body part not work well. You will be healthy when all parts of our body work well. Clear? Now just recall what we studied in this chapter. We studied about my body. Which body part is this? Just read. What is this? Yes, it's hand. Hand helps to write, pick, hold, eat. What is this? Just read this. Yes, eye. Eye helps you to see. Ear. Ear helps you to hear. Nose. Nose helps you to smell. Tongue helps you to taste. Skin helps you to feel. What about the leg? Leg help you to walk, run, jump and dance. Clear? Okay students, now just do some exercise. Okay, do some exercise. This is the first exercise in your textbook. Write T for true and F for false sentence. True means correct answers. False means it will be wrong. So, true means correct or right answers. False means wrong. Listen to the first question. The parts of our body help us to do many things. Is the sentence right? The parts of our body help us to do many things. Is this right? Yes, this is right. So, this is true statement. So, just write T here. Just write T here. Second one is, we use our hands to run. Is it right? Are you running with your hands? No, you are running with your legs. So, we use our hands to run. It's a wrong statement. It's false. So, write F here. Our nose helps us to smell. Is it right? Our nose helps us to smell. Yes, it's right. Then write T here. It is not important to eat on time. Is it right? It is not important to eat on time. It is wrong. It is very important to eat on time. So, write F here. We need 8 hours of sleep. We need 8 hours of sleep. Is it right? Yes. So, write T here. Clear? Then coming to the second exercise. Fill in the blanks. We write with our dash. Just fill this. We write with our which body part? Yes, we write with our hand. So, you should write hand here. We hear with our dash. What is the answer? We hear with our ear. So, write ear here. We should eat on dash every day. We should eat on time. We should eat on time every day. We should dash outdoors. We should play outdoors. So you should write play here. Clear? So you just complete this exercise up to here. Okay students, that's all for today. Don't forget about the activities. Just color your fingers and palm, paste in a sheet of paper and send it to me. It's important to color your left hand. Don't forget that. Read your textbook 5 times. Complete the exercise in your textbook. Students, it's important, write neatly in your textbook. Okay. So, let's wind up this class. See you on next class. Take care, my dears. Bye.